Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Cronos, we are trading at 0.07421, 24-hour volume, we were down 63%, and market cap, we are up 5.05%. This video, I'm just going to quickly do a update here for immediate short term for 4 hours, and essentially at 4 hours, there is a few areas that I want to show you just to be very cautious going forward if you are deciding to trade into Cronos. So taking a look so far, we are hitting a really bad resistance line, essentially at 50% of our fib. We're just slightly below a 50% of our fib. So our resistance here is 0.0759. So a few of our candlesticks on a 4-hour time frame has exhausted levels in here and essentially reached 100% or closer to 93% of an RSI. So RSI here, we are considered to be overbought at 93 for our K line and then our D line at 93%. It has triggered slightly a buying opportunity. As we can see, the K line is above our D line itself, but it is only going to be short lived. As we can see, we are already considered as overbought. Where we can see the price come up again with that buying opportunity is only going to be at this area of resistance at the 0.0746. Now, the only way that the price is going to break above this area of resistance is if, one, we see an area of volume pump up. We can see that the volume itself is decreasing each candlestick as we're going. So if the volume increases in the next 4 hours or so, then breaking this area of resistance is more likely. Another thing too is that we will need to have a higher level of a MACD indicator in a 4-hour time interval. So we can see that these histograms are getting smaller, just a little tiny bit smaller compared to the previous one. So it may lead to us thinking that there may be a second wave of an impulse of the price itself and the trend pushing the price in a bull rally here. If we are going to get darker colors of these histograms and these histograms are getting bigger as well, then it is going to trigger enough momentum and enough strength to be able to break through this area of resistance and close above it. Now, essentially, if those two do not occur of higher volume and the momentum of our MACD indicator is gradually getting bigger and darker in that green color, then essentially we are going to get rejected from this resistance line. And the next course of action here is one, our first line of support at 61% of our fib. We can see a few of our candlesticks retracing down to this level. If we're not able to hold on to 61% of our fib, this is going to be our second course of action, which is our next area of supply and demand used by our volume profile off to the side. Exactly how the volume works at the very bottom here, that shows us how much orders have been traced in a hourly time frame or whatever time frame that you use. Same thing here, it is triggered by buying sell order at a dollar price. So this area here shows us buy demand, supply and demand zone. So it is treated either an area of support or an area of resistance. So be very cautious here, most importantly at the outskirts at the very top here at 0.0699. You'll notice that our 20 moving average is above this area of support. And if the price is not able to bounce off really nicely at this area of support, then we are going to break this uptrend, this nice uptrend that we have been having, and then coming down to our next course of action, which is our next fib retracement at 78% of our fib or 0.0644. So be very cautious today, guys. Let me know if you found this video insightful by the comment section down below. Like and subscribe for daily crypto videos, but I'll see you next time. Bye.